Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can uh, share files to other smartphones. It can work with Android to Android, Android to iPhone, or iPhone to Android using the app SHAREit. So you can download SHAREit via the Play Store, or if you have an iPhone in the App Store. So Google Play Store and App Store for iOS and Android, and you can access SHAREit through your app drawer. So this one has an ad, so you might want to skip it after you've seen it. So yep, there's a lot of ads. So you can either send or receive files, so that you can send videos, photos, or even application to other devices. So this app is legit. It's verified by Google, so no need to worry about anything that can happen. So this is not like a malicious software that can snoop on you using your microphone or camera. So you can either send. So this, you can send some assets from your playground application from your Google camera. You can forward games, you can forward note apps, browsers, social media apps. You can also share photos or videos or music. So this time I'm gonna show you how you can send an app. So what if you want to send a game? So I have here the Plants vs Zombies. So you can see down here that there's one app selected, so you can either decide to send it. So to prepare your device for sending, you might want to activate some radio signals, radio devices such as your Bluetooth. So you can open it. So this works without internet or Wi-Fi, but if you don't have data, that's okay. It's just a local send and receive process. So you can tap on next, and then I'm gonna show you another phone. This is a Nexus 5. This is an older version of the Pixel. This is a Google Pixel 2 XL. So as what you can see, it can't see the receiver of the app. What I'm gonna do is open SHAREit in this Nexus 5 device. So this one will send the app, this one will receive it. So as usual, you have some apps, and then this one you will choose to receive it. So the same thing, open Bluetooth, or maybe it will ask you to turn off your Wi-Fi or data, mobile data in some cases. So this is the receiver, this is the sender. You can also show the QR if you have problems here, and then the sender will scan it. You just tap it here. You have to allow it. So you can scan it, then boom. So just wait for it. So this is a substantially big file, but it's transferring it way faster than Bluetooth. So in the previous years, when you send something, you send it via infrared, then by Bluetooth. This is way faster because it uses the Wi-Fi radios on the phones, which is more efficient. So as what you can see, the Wi-Fi signal is turned off on both phones. So a while ago they were connected to the same network. So just a couple of megabytes left. Okay, you can exit the, and then you can also exit. So the receiving phone will have an option to open the file or install it. So if it is an app, you can open it and install it. If it's a photo, you can choose to open it, or it's a video, you can play it. So this one is open. There you go. So from my Google Pixel 2 XL to my Nexus 5, I've sent an app through SHAREit. So that's how you can send large files, even batches of photos or videos. So just make sure that you have both installed SHAREit to both phones. And that's it, guys. If you like this tips and tricks video, you can subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Or if you want to have your smartphone fixed, like this Nexus 5 that our team also repaired, you can call us in the details below. So till next time, guys, cheers.